7. Conclusion. As we bring our discussion on lean management to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've covered today. Lean management is not just a methodology, it's a powerful tool that has the potential to transform the way any industry operates. Whether you're aiming to improve efficiency, reduce waste, or deliver greater value to your customers, lean management provides a clear path forward. By focusing on the principles of value, streamlining processes, ensuring smooth flow, producing based on demand, and fostering continuous improvement, organizations can become more competitive, adaptable, and successful in an ever-changing world. The key to success with lean is to keep the long-term vision in mind. This is not a quick fix, but rather a journey, a marathon that requires ongoing dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt with each step. No matter your industry, be it manufacturing, healthcare, IT, retail, or beyond, lean management can help you achieve your goals more effectively. It empowers you to make better use of your resources, enhance customer satisfaction, and create a work environment where continuous improvement is the norm. Closing remarks. Thank you all for your attention today. I hope this lecture has provided you with a solid understanding of lean management and how it can be applied across various industries. If you have any questions or would like to explore any aspect of lean management further, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help, and I'm eager to support your journey toward becoming lean thinkers and practitioners. Best of luck in your lean management endeavors, and I look forward to seeing the positive impact it will have on your organizations.